In this video I'm going to show you how to take apart your Epson WorkForce 2860 printer. Now we are going to take the paper tray. So that is here. So there is a lock here, so we can just press this lock from here. So paper tray is out. This is the paper output tray. Press the lock from here. In the same way you have to press it from the other side. So paper output tray is removed. So if we go to the ink chamber, I have already removed the ink. Also I have removed the print head. If you want to know how to do that, you can watch my video on this printer. Next we are going to remove the maintenance box. So there is a screw at the back, so we just have to unscrew it. Now push it back. So this is the maintenance box. At the back you will see there is a tray. So if you press it, you can take it out. This is actually for the paper. So any paper jam we can just handle from here. We have this tray here. So I'm just going to remove the tray. So just fold it and you can just take it out. So little bit folding and then we can take out. To remove the ADF section, first we will remove this one. There is a lock here, so if you just pull it, then you can take this plate out. Now next I'm just going to remove this plate. 1, 2 and same on the other side. 3, 4. So unscrew these. And then unscrew this part. Same way to the other side. That is one. Now you can just take it apart from other side. From this end there is a wire that is connected, so we have to take that wire out. For that first we have to open this section, this plate. For that lift the ink chamber. There is a one screw here, so we have to open it. Now close it. At the bottom of the printer there is one screw. So at the bottom there is one screw. We have to unscrew this. Same way on the back side, at the bottom there is another screw. So we have to remove this. Now lift this section and try to remove it. Just push it back side, it will come out. Let's locate that wire for the top ADF tray. So that wire is this one, that white wire. So we can just unplug it from here. Also unplug the scanner wires, this one, and just pull this one out. So this one is released. Now we can lift it. So this wire should come out from this section. So this is our ADF tray. Now we can also unscrew all the things from here. So there are few screws. Now go to the top section of the ADF tray here. So unscrew from here. Now pull it outside and this tray will come out. Just from here. That's the ADF tray. The ADF tray is completely unlocked. Now this is the last section. So this tray is completely taken off. Next is the scanner. So it has already moved in for some reason because the screws are loose. Now lift this section up. So remove this screw from here. Now remove this screw from here. Remove the one you can see just here. And same way there is one on the other end. Now remove this top plate. So there is one screw here. And now you can take it off. Remove side screws from both sides, one from here, one from this side, and then pull it out and take this plate off. There are two screws visible from this side, so we have just removed and the scanner is taken apart. Now we are going to remove the scanner glass. Remove the screws just at the back of the scanner glass. Now you can lift it from here. So it is coming out with the glass. So that's the scanner glass. You can keep it safe. That works here. So we can take it apart as well. So that's the unit that we use for the scanning. So that's the front of the printer. So we are going to take the screen out. There are 4 of these. And this screen is just out from here. Now if you go to the side, you will see this wire is coming from a long distance, so you can just follow its direction. Now the screen will stay on the side. There is a screw on the top and there is a screw here, so we have to unscrew it. Same other side we have to do that. So there is a screw here. Now it is coming out. So this wire is for the motor on this side. So we are just going to follow the route. Unplug it from here. Now this motor is connected in the front, so we can see it has all the system attached to it, so we can unscrew this. Before that we have to remove the front plate, so unscrew this plate from here. Now pull it from the bottom and it should come out. So that was the front. That's the motor. Now open this section. So motor is loose. Now remove this from here. So, and this is for the maintenance box. So if you follow this, and to remove this section we have to open this white chamber. So it has a couple of screws. We can remove this from here. So it has a spring attachment. So that's the end of the pipe. So if you want, you can just pull it out from here slowly. Just unscrew from here. Now remove this part. Now also remove this screw from this side. unscrew from here. So that is our power unit. Unscrew from here. Take this screw out. So this unit has Ethernet cables. So unplug from here. Unscrew all the cables from here. And this is the one that goes to the display screen. Now unscrew all the cables from here so that everything is easy to take out. These wires are connecting the ink chamber, so remove these. Unscrew from here. So that's actually the motherboard of the printer, so you can just take it out. So that is the motherboard. So that's the taking apart of this printer. Thanks for watching.